So I figured I'd do a quick rundown on my 914 engine. It's a 914 1.7 base block that's been a bit modified. The block was line bored and clearanced. It's got a 78mm crank. The crank is modified for 5 dowels onto the flywheel. It's got light on flywheel, Kennedy stage 2 clutch and pressure plate, and the whole assembly was balanced for 7000 RPM. It's got the Web 86BC cam, 5.4 inch rods with ARP 2000 bolts. It's got the 914 2.0 cylinders bored for 96mm. It's got Keith Black pistons, chrome push rods. The heads were the stock 1.7 heads that are welded up and machined for 2.0 configuration. It's got 44mm inlet valves and 38mm exhaust valves, and the head was ported and the valves unshrouded. It's running 10.3 to 1 compression, and that results in about 160 horsepower and 220 newton meters of torque with the stock 2.0 heater boxes on, so it could give a few more horsepower with a better exhaust. On the induction side, I've got 40mm ITBs from the dub shop. It's also got all the sensors from the dub shop, so the coolant temp sensor, air intake sensor, crank trigger package, and the cam sync sender is also from the dub shop. It's running on a max ECU, aftermarket fuel injection. And I've got LS2 coils for spark, and I've got 4 head temp sensors, one under each spark plug, and it's turned out to a quite nice running engine. Seen here, I've got the CHT sensors under cylinder 3 and 4. And under cylinder 1 and 2. The what's it called? Throttle cable assembly, the master and slave, comes from Tangerine Racing. And the gearbox has been rebuilt by a specialist, 911 specialist here in Sweden. That's about it. Let me know if you have any questions.